Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, you guys know the drill. If you guys please smash that like button, I'd really appreciate it. You guys could leave a comment down below. I don't care what it is, it super helps the channel out. Carmen and I are at Driftcon Afterdark. All right, we're down here at Fan Fest right now, where everybody gets to meet the drivers and see the cars. And we're just gonna walk through real quick. And here is the track. We're about to get this party started. Some awesome stuff down here. Some pretty sweet liveries. Got some clean paint. Got bright colors. Lots of Nissans. Lots of BMWs. Got some pink. See anything you like you're gonna drive?
No.
Nothing?
No. Oh, maybe this.
Oh, you like the 350Z?
Yeah, I do like that.
That is pretty cool. Flashy, bright wheels. All right, guys, everyone's got to leave the track, so we are just gonna go up right here. I guess we could have came down right there.
He said no. No, we could.
Also, drivers, do not fire them cars up yet. We're going to be singing the national anthems. Or not singing, we're going to be playing the national anthems. So we can shut those cars down. We got like at least 4 or 5 minutes before we need to.
Someone's drifting their Skyline here.
Turn their cars off, especially them Mustangs.
That was you, Mikey. Exhaust coming right off the turbo. All right, we got to get off the track. There's a DJ right by our car, the trackside car show, so I can't really show you guys everything over there, at least unless I put music on, but we got a few cars right here in front of the stands.
Oh wait, let's make our way to the stands, fans.
We are good. We're gonna grab a couple drinks.
Let's get on this side of the yellow line.
Go check out some drifting.
We want to be on the west side of the yellow line.
Mikey's coming up, so we are gonna go watch him and Chad. They are competing, just kind of randomly how it happened. So Chad and Mikey are gonna both be competing. So we'll see what happens. We're just walking through the trackside car show now.
Wait, let's see him throw down a little bit more style. Let's see if we can get more style, more angle out of that S chassis of Mr. Kevin. Initiation from him. I'd like to see that getting up to that first outer zone, doing a nice job there. Coming through the infield. Doing a good job maintaining proximity. He's got about a car and a half, 2. Kevin's going to chase him down, so Paul's going to go nice. Momentum carrying him up to that first outer zone, doing a good job there. Side skirt about to to try and maintain that slow line and Jalen Vick doing a good job of maintaining proximity there. Nice job taking a good wide line, but oh my god, look at the aggression from Jalen Vick right now. Let's go, baby! He's someone who can go to the drawing board and adjustments where he needs to. And Franklin Belly knows darn well, and look at that side by side. Big angles and touches on the side there. Franklin Belly do bottom over there. Because Franklin Belly does a good job getting into outer one. Look at that good transition from him. That's a big car transition. In for the kill. Is Franklin
grab some food. The concession stand line was super long, so we just came down here to the pits, went to the food truck, and picked up some chicken tacos and some loaded fries. They're not very loaded, but they have cheese on it, so whatever. So we're gonna go back to the car, sit down in our chairs, and chat. We're down in the VIP parking. We got Only Car Fans win this Toyota CELSIOR. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. So go check them out, cop some merch, and you're gonna get yourself a chance to win this imported JDM Toyota CELSIOR.
Check out this Acura over here.
Go check out the freestyle. You can see all the lights are on. Yep, Mikey's got his lights on. We got Carmen wrapped up like a burrito in her blanket because it is getting chilly. Go check out Mikey's car real quick. It's looking good.
Are they only on the back?
He's got like double set.
On the tires?
He's got lights behind the wheels. He's got them in the fenders. It is lit up.
It's not lit up on that one.
That's because he only did it on the back. We did it on the fenders on the other one. How's the temperature, baby? We got a fire.
And out.
All right, we got a Harley Quinn.
I'd rather be in one of these Formula Drift cars. Right.
All right, we just jump started the Typhoon. Oh yeah. It's sick. Then we jump started Mikey as well. Everybody's killing their batteries tonight with these LEDs. All right, Team Tandem starting. Carmen's in the car warming up. Pits real quick. BMW. Ooh, wide body. She is low. Wow. She's set up and ready to go. It's almost over. Mikey's gonna go load up. Like they're doing the award ceremony. Music is shut down and the racing has stopped. So walking back to the car. Everybody's about to find out that they have a dead battery, except for us. Our car's running.
So Zach Farrar, you won your own event. What do you want to say about that?
It's about damn time. I know it was like, what, 5 years ago here? I did a 360, the big entry competition. And hearing the crowd just blow up like it was a touchdown in the Super Bowl game was insane. So starting to trend, doing the 360s, and then having it turn into a full like 360 competition. It's really cool. And having Jerry, I think he was the m-tek last year.
Well, Jared did 2 360s. You only did 1, so I mean, you won. But next time I want to see at least 2 360s on the track.
That's cheating. No one said you could do 2.
We're gonna take off. I got a little bit of a head start from the award ceremony. Carmen's sleeping in the car. We got a little bit of a drive home. All right, if you guys could please like this video, you guys can leave a comment down below. I don't care what it is, it super helps the channel out. If you guys can, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.
Ooh, like LeBron though, or like Lonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do.